Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are building this application where we are entering the pin code service, and once we click on the submit, we are fetching the data and showing that in a tabular format. When I click on reset, everything goes out, and here when I click on submit, it will hit a backend API, get the results, then it will display it in a tabular format. Okay, now this is where we are going to deploy our application into the Azure environment. This is a Azure cloud, okay, and see how it goes. Okay, basically I wanted to deploy this application, but there is some issue with my GitHub repository for that. So what I did is in a way I wanted to deploy the similar React application and show you the demo. Okay, just the code is different, everything else is going to be same, the process is same. So anyhow I wanted to make this opportunity and show the demo in a cloud environment. Okay, so for that, first you log in with your account. In my case I have the free account, so I'll go here, create a resource, and I will you yeah, app service. In app service you go and create a static web app. Okay, you go and create a static web app, and give something like random joke as a web app name. Okay, and here from the GitHub. Okay, and here authorize it. So once you have authorized, you will get all the repositories here. Okay, then here you take the one which suits, which where your code is presented. Okay, in my case I am using random jokes, this guy. Okay, this is my API, right? So random joke and master. Okay, and here in the build presents, it is a framework of, do I have the React here? Yes, React framework. Okay, build, and click on review and create. Okay, go to this application and see in actions, is there anything is presented? As of now anything is presented, no, is it? Okay, no problem. Click on create. It should create a application. Now you could see here it is initializing the deployment and submitting the deployment. Slowly the status will change. Okay, and you could see here it is started. Okay, start time. Okay, here anything there, here in actions. Yeah, now you could see it is in queue. If you go to your GitHub, you will see this and you click on it. Now you could see here it is started to build. Okay, now you could see it is starting the build here. Okay, so let the build to be successful, then you can see something here. Okay, go to the resources. Here the build is happening, guys. You should see everything here. Okay, you have not received any contest for this site. Here click here to see the status of your, you see here, thank you for using Azure static web apps. We have not received any content for your site yet. This is my content, guys. Okay, this is my site here. For this not yet received, click here to check the status of your GitHub actions run. Here this is my GitHub actions and this is my status. So here it is running npm install. Npm install will install our application, then it will start npm start. Okay, so you could see it is starting the build. It might take a little bit of time, so let's now watch here. Okay, creating optimized. Oh, failed to compile. Okay, I think there is some sort of an issue here. Okay, there is some issue here. Just give me a minute. I think build there is an issue with my build here. Let me open that application here. Open folder, random joke. There is some issue. I need to fix it. If I go here, nothing will be there because its build is not yet successful. Right, cool, no issue. I think it is coming now. Yeah, go here in app.js. What is there? I think in app.js it is saying something. What is that? What is the build issue we are getting here? Logo is defined but never used, and type implementation is defined but never used. Okay, logo and type implementation. Okay, okay. Npm start. I think here let's see what it is giving. Then we will commit this code into the GitHub and see what will happen afterwards. Npm start. It is starting a development server. Now you could see it should starting a development server. Yes, random joke. Yes, so random joke is getting generated, not a yes, that is what we wanted. Now this is a random joke at git status. So I have a file which I am going to add it here. Then I am going to commit this guy. No, random joke, and I'm going to push this fellow. Acha, git status, git, okay, okay, git pull to merge the remote batch changes into your local. Okay, okay, I have taken that. Now git push. Now it is happened. Okay, so git push is happened now. Okay, so go to the summary now. I'm going to rerun this job again, and let's see. So based on that, the content should automatically come here. Okay, I'm hoping it is going to start. Okay, now you could see it is okay. Both of them are coming, is it? Okay, build and deploy is happening. Okay, it is started the build in progress. I think there's one more is also there. It also automatically started, is it? This is the from wherever it is again started, I guess. This is the last one only. Yeah, I think it has done now. Let's go here. Yeah, cool. Here we have successfully generated it. Yeah, so yeah, that's how we can deploy it into the Azure cloud. Thank you so much for watching. Thank